Thank you, President. We spent a lot of time discussing the rule of law standards for new members. But once they are in, it seems that they can ignore those same standards because they become members of the club, and it's the club of member states. It's mostly a system of cover-ups. President Metsola went to Barcelona over the weekend. I hope she found good weather there in my beloved hometown, a city where I have not been able to set a foot in the last 5 years, because if I did, I would suffer an arbitrary arrest. So, what's the credibility about rule of law? We only look at it for the candidates or for some of the members, depending on their power. In any case, I do hope that Madam Metsola does not help Spain in their political persecution. I'm happy that she denied that she was planning to strip 4 members of this Parliament of our rights as representatives of more than 2 million people that elected us to this Parliament. Thank you very much.